Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working with the letter D. If you know, we have been into this before. Now we have been working with the two letters. We progressed from there to the three letters, and today the letter D is our focus. We've tried the M, N, and we equally tried the T, I think. Yeah, so today we're going to work with the M. Now the essence of reading this, remember, is for us to be able to pronounce words. Okay, in case you just join us for the first time, this is what we are doing. We have done this ba, be, bi, bo, bu, ka, se, si, ko, ku. Now from the sound of this, we have the two letters. I want us to see what I have been trying to let us know. That is, each time a letter is added, the sound tends to change for that letter to be accommodated. I don't know if you got the gist. Let's see. I have ba. This is ba, ba. If I add D to ba, I'm going to have ba, t, ba, t. I'm trying to bring the D in. I'm going to have bad. That is bad, bad. So if I add D to this place, I'm going to have bad. This is bad. Now this is be, be, be. If I want to bring this D close to this, I'm going to have bet, bet, bet. That is how we pronounce words in English language. You keep picking the words. Don't forget, I made mention of the fact that when you want to pronounce a word, we usually pair some letters in 2, some in 3, some in 4, some in 5. Okay, I don't know if you got the gist, but if you've been following me, you understand what I actually meant. Okay, so I have B. Now I decided to add the D right here. I'm going to have bed, bed. As you can see now, it is bed, bed. You can see I try to bring each of the letters together. Okay, so let's see the next one. I have B, 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 ba, be, B, B. If I add D here, to bring it together, I'm going to have beat, 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 beat. All right, I still have bo. If I add D here, I'm going to have bod, 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 bod. The D is right there. Remember, some of the words we have here are not actually meaningful words. They are just letters we combine for us to get a sound pronounced. The essence of doing this is for us to pronounce words. Okay, now I have boo, boo, boo. Remember, ba, be, bi, bo, boo. This is the boo. If I add D here, I'm going to have bod, bod, bod. Don't forget, the more letters you add, the more the sounds tend to change. Okay, so we have bad, bed, bead, bod, bood. Okay, now this is applicable to all this. Now we have ka, ka. If I add D here, it becomes card, card, card. And again, I have se. We have said. We have ka, se, si, ko, ku. Is that not how we pronounce it? Ka, se, si, ko, ku. Remember, I made mention of the fact, if you just joined me, you need to watch our previous video so you understand what we have been up to till this extent. Okay, we have really discussed a lot. Okay, so this is pronounced as ka, se, si, ko, ku, and I often say, or I always say, English letters, English alphabet have different ways they are being pronounced. Each of the letters I have in this board can be pronounced in 2 forms, some in 3 forms, even in 4 forms. Okay, so right here I can have this to be pronounced as C, sometimes as ki, sometimes as se, like. Okay, if you want to know about this, I have a video for this separately, so you can check it out. Now I have ka, se. This is cat with the D, cat, seed, seed. Now I have, this is seed, and this is code, and this is could. Okay, so I have cat, said, seed, code, could. Do you understand what I'm trying to do now? So you try to pick letter, you add. Now for instance, if this is bed, I decide to add the word mate, mate. You're gonna have that as bed mate. Okay, but as it is right, it's just bed. Okay, if I decide to add, this is B-O-D, this is bod. If I decide to add the Y right here, I'm gonna have body, body. Do you see that? So that is how it works. Now, for instance, I have cat, cat. If I add R in between here, I'm going to have card, card, that the card, you know. Okay, so today we are working with letter D. Let's recite it together. So I have bad, bed, bid, bod, bood. Bad, bed, bid, bod, bood. Card, said, sit, could, could. Dad, dead. This is dead. This is dad. Dead. Dead. You have dedication. Okay. Dad, dead, did, dode, dude. Dad, dead, did, dode, dude. Fad, fed, feed, food, food. Fad, fed, feed, food, food. Gad, get, gid, God, good. Gad, get, gid, God, good. Okay. Had, head, hid, hod, hood. Had, head, hid, hod, hood. Had, head, hid, hod, hood. Jad, jed, jid, jod, jod. Jad, jed, jid, jod, jod. Cad, ked, kid, code, could. Cad, ked, kid, code, could. Lad, led, lead, load, load. Lad, led, lead, load, load. Mad, med, mid, mod, mood. Mad, med, mid, mod, mood. Nad, ned, need, node, node. Nad, ned, need, node, node. Pad, ped, pid, pod, pad, ped, pid, pod, pod. Quad, qued, quid, quod, quod. Rad, red, read, road, road. Rad, red, read, road, road. Sat, said, seed, sowed, sewed. Sat, said, seed, sowed, sewed. Tad, dead, did, told, tood. Tad, dead, did, told, tood. Vad, ved, vid, vod, wood. Vad, ved, vid, vod, wood. This is vod. If we add ka to it, it becomes vodka. Okay? Wad, wed, weed, wood, wood. Wad, wed, weed, wood, wood. Zat, zed, zid, zod, zod. Zat, zed, zid, zod, zod. Yad, yed, yid, yod, yud. Yad, yed, yid, yod, yud. Yad, yed, yid, yod, yud. Zad, this is Z-A-D. We have Zad, Zed, Zid, Zod, Zud. Zad, Zed, Zid, Zod, Zud. Okay, let's go over it again. We have bad, bed, bid, bod, bood. Cad, said, seed, code, could. Dad, dead, did, dode, dude. Fad, fed, feed, food, food. Gad, get, gid, good, good. Had, head, hid, hood, hood. Jad, jed, jid, jod, jude. Cad, ked, kid, code, could. Lad, led, lead, load, lood. Mad, med, mid, mod, mood. Nad, ned, need, node, nude. Pad, ped, pid, pod, pud. Quad, qued, quid, quod, quod. Rad, red, read, road, rood. Sad, said, seed, sowed, sewed. Tad, ted, did, told, tood. Vad, ved, vid, vod, vood. Wad, wed, weed, wood, wood. Zat, zed, zid, zod, zod. Yad, yed, yid, yod, yud. Zad, zed, zid, zod, zud. Zad, zed, zid, zod, zud. Okay, we can equally do it this way depending on which one you find more easy to do. So we have bad, cad, dad, fad, gad, had, jad, cad, lad, mad, nad, pad, quad, rad, tad, vad, wad, zad, yad, zad. The bed sound we have bed, said, dead, fed, get, head, jed, ked, led, med. And we have here ned, ped, qued, read, said, ted, ved, wed, zed, yed, z. Now the next line, the B sound, we have bid, sid, did, feed, gid, hid, jid, kid, lead, mid. Right here we have need, bid, quid, read, sid, did, vid, wid, zid, yid, zid. On the both side we have bod, code, dod, fod, hod, jod, code, load, mod, node, pod, quod, rod, sod, tod, vod, wood, sod, yod, zod. And to the last line we have the boo, bood, could, dood, food, good, hood, jude, could, lood, mood. And we have nude, put, could, root, sud, tood, wood, wood, sud, yud. So you can choose any pattern that works for you. If you have to go the baka, da, faga, or you want to go the ba, be, bo, boo. And try this over and over again on your own. And if you have difficulty at any point in time, you can go back to this or this or this, like these ones that you're familiar with, the ba, be, bo, boo. Ba, you add D, you're gonna have ba, t, bad. Okay, so if at any point here you have fa, fe, fi, this is fi, and you have fit, feed. Okay, and this is ha, he, he, ho, who. Now if you want to add D here, you're gonna have hat, hat. Okay, so this is how you should try it, and this is where we're going to be stopping for today's lesson. In case you're seeing us for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. Right here we learn how to read, write, and speak. And if you find what we do here interesting, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And that being said, keep staying safe. See you soon in our next class, and bye for now.